whether they want to do something first or not, or if they want to see what these specific tables look like. But for right now, we're literally doing like a video game speed run of what an outbound campaign looks like for us. And like I said, I'm assuming that they're ready to send and that they're using Smart Lead in this case, but Instantly is a very similar setup. I don't know if this is like, it's not far out of mind to consider, okay, this client I work with, they, need to be marketing agency from, a source that you guys probably aren't used to using. Apollo is a good source for data, but you don't need to use it. Obviously webhook is pretty important too. That's how we get those smart leads in there. My goal is to teach you guys how to be as cheap as possible within Clay. As a Clay agency, it would probably be vice president of sales or director of sales. I'm not sure if this is something that Josh went over in the last few calls. As you can see, the data is not the best for being free, but it is free. I hope you guys understand what like a gargantuan undertaking it is to basically create a campaign in 40 minutes. So I'm going to do my best here, but yeah, we're gonna do our best. So yeah, so how would I find these people? That's often a question I get with prospects and calls who are interested. LinkedIn Sales Navigator, we used to import a lot of people from. Yeah, let's pull in some people here. Hopefully I'm not showing any private R&D tax credit advisor companies. So anyways, worst case scenario, I skip around from showing how we source the leads to a table that's already running, just so we can make sure to do everything in time. I don't know if that's really going to limit us, but I'm just showing you guys how I might start sourcing leads. The big negative of using Sales Navigator is that you need the trial or some sort of workaround to find qualifying workflow, which is why there's only 170 leads out of, obviously there's like 1,000 ways to get data into Clay. I should have came prepared with like a list, but it's fine.